This new protocol for aluminum nitride quick growth on nano-patterned sapphire substrate with graphene interlayer can be used for rapid and inexpensive generation of high-performing deep ultraviolet LEDs.
Using directly grown graphene as a buffer layer, the aluminum nitride template shows great potential in the application of aluminum gallium nitride-based deep ultraviolet LEDs.
To begin, rinse the NPSS with acetone, ethanol, and deionized water 3 times, and dry the NPSS with a nitrogen gun. Load the NPSS into a 3-zone high-temperature furnace with a long, flat temperature zone, and heat the furnace to 1050 degrees Celsius. Stabilize the temperature for 10 minutes under 500 standard cubic centimeters per minute of argon and 300 standard cubic centimeters per minute of argon of hydrogen. Then, introduce 30 standard cubic centimeters per minute of argon of methane into the reaction chamber for the growth of the graphene on the NPSS for 3 hours. At the end of the growth reaction, switch off the methane and allow the NPSS to cool naturally. Rinse the cooled substrate with deionized water and dry the NPSS with a nitrogen gun. Then, etch the graphene NPSS by nitrogen plasma with a nitrogen flow rate of 300 standard cubic centimeters per minute for 30 seconds and a power of 50 watts in a reactive ion etching chamber.